Namaskaram to everyone. Hope all is well at your end. We know we had passed through this lockdown and right now we are on 3.0. This pandemic has changed us a lot. We had a great human loss across the world and so as in India. When I really looked at it, the acronym for the COVID, I think it has given me a different meaning given the kind of the leadership that we dealt with in managing the crisis. We started connecting the unconnected. We ordered our priorities. We started embracing the virtual world. Innovation is something which we started encouraging. Innovation is something we started anticipating, and we started understanding the real D, that is discipline in our approach towards the activities that we perform on day-to-day life, both in professional life, both in personal life, and in our social life. Of late, if you observe last 2.5 months, the entire educational platforms or rather educational delivery has changed. We have changed from our conventional classroom delivery to digital platforms. In fact, right from KG to PG, almost every school, university, institutions started, using various digital platforms to connect to the students and continue their education delivery system. This is actually a very, very great, a change to the entire, the education system. Now we have the opportunity to connect to the entire world and in a single platform and invite various eminent industrialists, eminent personalities to the classroom, the place that we are in. Not just the management education, technology education, but the liberal arts. The very interesting thing, the dance community also, available on digital platform to connect to their students and the liberal arts aspirants. I think this is going to be the new normal when it comes to the education delivery. In fact, the new normal has taught us to learn to meet the uncertainty, learn to give for humanity, learn to live for your well-being, learn to live for well-being of the society that we are in, and enjoy the nature that in every possible way. COVID has actually given to us a time. The time has actually helped me to introspect for myself. In fact, it's given me time to read more and more books which were pending for a very long time. And in fact, I started writing the blogs again. So these are the various productive things which has given because of this pandemic situation. Everybody has got the time. I think we need to understand this pandemic rather than worrying about it. I think we need to take this as an opportunity and move on with a high spirits, and which is very, very, very important to sustain ourselves going forward. Be safe, be healthy. Wish you all the best.